When you said that earlier, it really stuck with me. It's exactly how I've been feeling lately, but couldn't articulate. I need to tell you something that happened a few weeks ago. I've been dealing with a lot of thoughts lately. Honestly, it's been difficult trying to talk about them with the people around me. I sat there for a long time after reading that.